In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed non-YouTube videos on Google Sites. If you've got a video file that isn't hosted on YouTube, maybe it's an MP4 stored in your Google Drive, you can still display it cleanly on a Google Sites page. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus a few tips to make sure visitors can play the video without any hiccups. Start by opening your site in the Google Sites editor. Make sure you're signed in, then navigate to the specific page or section where you want the video to appear. It helps to scroll to the right spot on the page first, so you can drop the video exactly where you need it. If you haven't uploaded your video to Google Drive yet, take a moment to add it there. Google Sites pulls the file directly from your drive. With your page open, look to the right-hand sidebar and choose the Drive option. This opens a panel showing your Google Drive files. You can use Search to find the exact file name, or switch to the Videos filter if you keep things organized that way. Give Drive a second to load thumbnails. This makes it easier to confirm you're picking the correct clip. Next, click the video you want to embed from your drive. You'll usually see a small preview and the file details, which is a good chance to double-check you've selected the right version, especially if you keep multiple drafts or edits. Once your video is highlighted, click Insert. Google Sites will place the video block on your page. From here, you can drag the corners to resize it, snap it to your layout grid, or move it into a different section. If your page uses columns, try dropping the video into a wider column so it has room to breathe. Consider adding a short description above or below the video to give your viewers context, like what the clip covers and why it's relevant. A quick but important tip: make sure the video's sharing permissions in Google Drive allow your site's audience to view it. If the file is restricted, visitors may see a request access screen instead of the player. Setting the file to be viewable by your intended audience, often anyone with the link can view, or your organization if you're on a workspace domain, prevents that roadblock. Use the Preview button in the top toolbar to test playback and layout across desktop and mobile view. When you're happy with how it looks and plays, publish your site so the changes go live. And that's it. Your non-YouTube video is now embedded on Google Sites cleanly and reliably.